Kartra has added a great feature under My Products. Click on My Products, and underneath Products you'll see this new option called Self-Billing. This option is terrific. It will allow your users to do self-help. They'll be able to download invoices, update their credit card information, get a refund, of course within your allowed refund period, and cancel their subscription. You can allow it to be automatic or manual. Set it to manual and the system will create a help desk ticket for you to review. Clicking the pencil to the right of the URL allows you to modify the URL from the Kartra to a custom domain. Here I have a custom domain, hourtolearn.com, and then instead of their random set of characters, I've named it Billing Portal. Once you've defined that and saved it, go and edit your pages, because you'll need a link to get to the billing portal, and you'll see in the upper right hand corner I've added the link to the billing portal. You can add it in the menu at the top, the footer, or perhaps add it to emails that you send out to your customers. Hope this was helpful. Subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to your comments.